Thank you for joining us tonight. I'm Cale Chapman. Joplin Schools today let staff members get an early look at the new Dover Hill Elementary. KOAM's Shagun Bomadeli has more.
Dover Hill Elementary School is the accumulation of a $27 million project approved in 2019. Future staff members had a chance to be familiar with the new building before classes start next semester.
And so we wanted to open it up for all of our staff members in the district to come out and check it out and actually put their eyes on what they've been hearing about and walk around the building and see what it looks like.
Dover Hill is the combination of two aging schools, West Central Elementary and Columbia Elementary.
And we've had discussions for a while about what we're going to do with the schools because of their age and their capacity. And after the bond issue was passed, started having serious talks about building a brand new school to combine those two schools together. The former Columbia Elementary and West Central Elementary are combining to be one school out here, Dover Elementary.
While touring the building, Principal Ingu says everyone is excited about the new building.
Teachers are super excited. They got to come out Wednesday. We had a staff meeting out here and they got to see all their rooms and what everything looks like. They're super excited. I know the kids, we took some videos to show the kids back at the school, so they're excited to be here. We've got open house coming up in January, so everyone's really pumped up about next semester.
One special ed teacher says the building caters for students who are physically challenged.
Our classroom, we've got new safety aspects, we've got individualized bathrooms, which are really nice in a special education classroom. We need a lot of assistance in those rooms, in those areas, so it's nice to have that bit of privacy and the ability to take more than one student at a time. And just the safety aspects of our new timeout rooms and the extra space, it's really a nice overall area for us.
Bates also says the new technologies will make learning more fun.
This generation, all of our kids are probably more technologically savvy than we are. And I think that whenever we're coming to them with technology that they understand, it's going to increase their ability to learn at a better level.
Reporting in Joplin, Shagun Bomadeli, KOAM News.
Dover Hill will house 450 students from both West Central Elementary and Columbia Elementary.